How's it going, everybody? My name's Eric, and in this video we're going to be working on a Wiimote. Wii remote. I got this from Goodwill today, brought it home, put some fresh batteries in it, and it wouldn't turn on. Hopefully we're gonna fix it. Actually, we did fix it because I filmed this after I did it. But if you want the short answer on how we fixed it, we put known good batteries in it. It didn't work. Then we inspected the battery terminals, saw some corrosion, popped out the top battery plate, soaked it in some white vinegar, put it back in, and then it was good to go. Basically, we removed the corrosion. So, thumbs up for the short answer at the beginning of the video. And if you want to watch step-by-step how to fix your Nintendo Wiimote that has corrosion, then continue watching this video because that's what we're about to go over. And consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and let's get into the remote. So the goal is going to be clean out the corrosion, and I believe that this entire piece slides out. So I'm just gonna slide it out, clean it up, put it back, and we should be good to go. It should be a pretty simple fix. I'm gonna grab a flathead screwdriver out of my screwdriver set. I'm actually going to take 2 flathead screwdrivers, and I'm going to put a little upward force on this side, kind of prying while doing the same thing on this side. And at the same time, there we go. I dislodged this, you can see that side got dislodged, working out the other side. There we go. So that could be the trickiest part, is like getting this piece out. And as you can see, that thing is just junked up with corrosion and probably not allowing the electrons to pass through it, or at least not allowing enough to pass through it to get the correct voltage to turn the thing on. Also, if you're looking inside here, you can see a lot of nasty little dust. So we're just going to give it a little hit, give it a little blow. Bulk of the nasty is in this piece right here. I'm gonna put it in this little compartment here, take some distilled white vinegar and just pour it into that. Can you hear that bubbling? Can you see that bubbling? I'm gonna let the chemistry do its thing, and then we'll be back.
A few moments later.
The bubbling has stopped. I'm going to now just wipe it down. It doesn't look perfect by any means. It's still pitted. It's still got some rust on it, but it's probably going to let the electrons go through. We're gonna put it back in. The spring side is on that side and the just flat side is on that. And it just slides in, slide it in, press it down. The moment of truth. Add the batteries and turn it on. Look at that. We got Wii. Easy fix. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful to somebody out there. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. If you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.